I see you.
The way I transition from work mode to home mode determines the tone of my night. The slow car rides, picking up my son, calm greetings. Pretty much no rushing energy, just steady.
Hey, baby. How was your day? All right, let's go home.
Just might make me burst. Love in the open. Daydreaming, hoping. Melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl. No shame. No guilt.
So, as I go on this journey, I'm learning how to build discipline. And what I mean by that, I don't wait until things pile up anymore. I maintain. Pretty much fluffing my pillows, wiping my tables, folding laundry, screening decor, intentionally building.
Give up my power. Yes, afraid to lose each other. Counting the hours till I see you again. Could you be life, lover, and best friend? Waiting for text back. Wondering where you at. Or who could you be with? No, I'm not possessive, but you're mine. Okay. I'ma let you live, no shame. No shame. No game. I wanna fall in love. Vulnerable in love. Do you want classy? Do you want nasty, babe? I'll give you options. I'll be your perfect day. I'm yours till the night fades. Whoa, don't let it fade. No shit.
So, by me doing small loads, small reset, small discipline, it pretty much comes with peace from consistency.
Giggling softly, could you be laughing at me, or we just giddy? Butterflies flapping in me. Don't stop what you're doing. Yeah, what you doing to me?
Now, don't get me wrong. On most days, I don't want to come home and fluff the pillows or put a small load of laundry in the washer or clean my dining room. But I have learned that a reset at night creates a smooth morning. Well, in this case, an evening, a smoother night.
You won't let me, something in my brain wants you. I've been thinking of myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never hear my thoughts, I know, yeah, you. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, take it away. Feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Being disciplined allows me to relax without guilt because I handle what need to be handled. And one of the things that needed to be handled was getting this alcohol off of my floor. So for now, I'm placing it in the pantry until I get the item that I need because that clutter was bothering me.
I should've known better than I did. I should've known better. Love's love, man. I should've known better than to give my all. It never works out for me. Could've kept it at a friendship. No hard feelings, no bad endings. Now look at where we are. Old familiar restart. Put the cards on my heart. Welcome back to the sad girl part. I should've known I'm better off alone. I should've known when you were hiding your phone. I should've known that time would show me your true colors. I feel I would play the fool. I should've known you would break our rules. I should've known you wasn't ready to be a lover for real. Could've kept it at a friendship. No bad endings, no hard feelings. Now look at where we are. Old familiar, restart. Put the cards on my heart. Welcome back to the sad girl part.
Now back to the living room. You guys didn't think I was gonna forget to use my new vacuum, did you? But no, we had to do a little touch up and see how it worked on the carpet. It did what it needed to do. Let me just say that. It did exactly what it needed to do. So, but yes, just being intentional about the things you do in your home, how you reset it, how you tighten it up, just a little fluff, a little fold, a little wipe here and there will help. Because remember, we don't wait for chaos anymore, we maintain it.
Welcome back to the sad girl part. Old familiar restart. Put the cards on my heart. Welcome back to the sad girl part. Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding.
Now, the future me deserve preparation.
So,
I have started prepping my food since this is a short week. Well, since I started so late, this is what I'm going to start off with. So I have some more fruits, but I just cut up my cantaloupe because that's all I had as of right now to cut up. The rest I have to like peel, like oranges, and clean the grapes and stuff off. So we're just gonna do it fruit salad and chicken salad. So this is some cut up lettuce, the Roman kind, and I cut it all up because I had some more in the refrigerator, but since this was getting old and stuff, I was only able to make 2 out of the 3 little boats or whatever the case may be. So this is what I'm gonna eat in the morning time. I pretty much would eat like oatmeal or grits or something like that. Drink water and my green tea in the morning time or whatever. But 9 and 10 I'm gonna eat oatmeal and drink green tea so that can fill me up. Then lunchtime I'm gonna eat just a chicken salad, nothing else, just a salad and chicken. And throughout the day, I eat on my little fruits and stuff like that and drink plenty of water. If I want anything sweet, I will have peppermints, which is why I bought these big old things of soft peppermints or whatever. So, yeah, nothing else. So this is the chicken that I'm gonna actually chop up right now. And I'm gonna heat it up when I'm at work or whatever, because that's 9, 10, that's when I'm gonna have lunch at while I'm there at work. But yeah, so I'm gonna chop some of this up, put it in a bowl, so therefore I can just, you know, shred it out on top of my salad. And since my job be having these, I'm gonna get these from work to put on my salad. And since my job be having these little dressing packages or whatever, this is pretty much what I'm gonna pour on top of my entire salad. So I'm not gonna drown the salad. It's just gonna be 1 pack of these with the chicken in this, and that's what I'm gonna eat. And this is what I'm gonna eat for days after days after days. You're gonna see what happens. It's not about perfection. It's all about consideration.
About me, yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out.
Remember, since I handled what needed to be handled, this allows me to pretty much relax without the guilt. Peace at night is earned during the day. This is what stability feels like. So, remember, peace doesn't happen by accident. It's maintained.
Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm janked up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm janked up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, you elevate it.
I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page over. You the best thing, I done slaved over. Gon' arch your back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing. Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing. Like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want. You was rocking with me when I couldn't stay afloat. They ain't never saying nothing wavy to a boat. Like, eyes up, look at me, now I'm the captain. Brought the camera, time for action. Split the legs just like a fraction. Tuck the napkin, time for snacking. You a mother meal. Tell me that it's mine, baby, tell me that it's real. Hit it to the max, well, tell me how it feel. It's gonna be a minute, cause I'm in it for the thrill. Make her feel like heaven, she gon' put me in the wheel. And willingly, I wanna do anything she wanna do. I ain't even wanna boo, but this is what the karma do. It's hard to be apart from you, cause ooh, I
love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here, nah, you can't go back home.
I'm chained up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm chained up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, you elevate it, you.
This season is about choosing peace. I'm learning to move slower and more intentionally. Right now, I'm focused on becoming the best version of myself. My life is getting quieter, and I actually love that.
To the woman I'm becoming, I see you, I honor you. I'm learning to trust the quiet way you rise. You don't chase anymore, you don't break the same. You don't shrink to fit spaces that were never built to hold your light. You learn to walk away